In this Java tutorial, we will give examples of the most commonly used string functions. Let's start with the length function. I created a variable. We can find the length of a string variable using the length function. The message variable consists of 6 characters. We can see the character at a specified index of a variable using the charAt function. For example, let's find out which character is at the 0th index of the variable. The character at the 0th index of a variable is t. The character at the 2nd index of the variable is r. Remember that if you exceed the length of a variable, you will get an error message. You can combine multiple string variables using the concat function. I am combining the turtle and code variables. The starts with method checks if a string starts with the specified characters. The ends with method checks if a string ends with the specified characters. The functions are case sensitive. We can find the index of a specified character in a string variable using the indexOf function. We can ensure that the control is done from the end by using the last indexOf function. You will understand exactly what I mean in this example. The index of the function returns 0, and the last index of function returns 3. You can convert the specified character in a string variable to another character by using the replace function. First, I print the initial state of the variable, then the one with the replace function. We can split the string variable by using the substring function. For example, I will first print the characters between 0 and 6. These two println functions will produce same output. I can split the string variable by any character I want by using the split function. For example, let's split the variable by the space character. I use a for loop for the deletion process. I can edit a string variable according to upper and lowercase by using to lowercase and to uppercase functions. We can delete spaces in a string variable by using the trim function. In this Java tutorial, we learned how to use string functions. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.